Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Adobe Photoshop Elements is one of the most popular image creation and editing software applications available today. Photoshop Elements derives its name from the fact that it contains many of the essential elements of the full Adobe Photoshop application. While it is true that Photoshop contains many additional features, Photoshop Elements has grown into a robust editing program in its own right. You can use it to create, edit, and organize digital images in ways you might never have imagined. You can remove flaws, add text, and make many other changes to produce high-quality professional images. When using Photoshop Elements, you might find some of the quick fix options perfect for your immediate needs without needing to enter Photoshop Elements Expert Edit mode. Intermediate users may also enjoy the Guided Edits feature, which steps you through more advanced workflows and photo editing features. Whether you are a novice or a professional, Photoshop Elements provides you with many powerful tools to help you accomplish your various image creation and editing tasks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.